Hello everyone, in this feature I'm going to tell you an amazing helpful feature of our iPhone. So go to the settings of your phone and tap on search and type screen distance or maybe just screen, and go to the screen time area. From here tap on it and click on screen distance option, right? So we can go here by sliding in the normal settings option, tap on screen time and select screen distance. You have to on it by clicking on that white dot and make it green. What it will do is it will help you. So if you are holding a phone too close to your face, it's gonna make sure to remind you. So when you will on it and by chance you keep your phone close, it's gonna remind you, it's gonna signal you on your screen itself. So try it right now. Till then, see you in the next video. Ta-da!